In this video, I'm going to go over 5 online side hustles that you can use to earn some extra cash. And the cool thing about these side hustles are they actually pay daily or weekly. Now, before I jump into these 5 side hustles, I do want to make one thing perfectly clear, and that is these are strictly for extra income. None of these are going to make you rich, I don't think. All right, jumping right into it. Number 1 is Cambly. All right, now Cambly is a site that's been around for several years, and this is a site where you can go and get paid for teaching people how to speak English. Now, this site pays out every Monday via PayPal. All right. Now, some reports show that people are earning up to $10 an hour doing this online side hustle. So if you don't mind, talking to people, and mainly I think Cambly deal with kids, I ain't sure, but you're going to be, communicating with people in other countries and you're teaching them the English language. So if you don't mind interacting with people and teaching somebody something, this could be a dope little side hustle. Now, a second online side hustle that you can start today is Slice the Pie. Now, Slice the Pie is a site where you can go sign up absolutely free and get paid for writing short music reviews. Now, I've talked about this site a ton on this channel, and it's still, it's still relevant because this is one of the easiest ways to start earning money online. Now, if you really want to maximize your earnings with Slice the Pie, I highly suggest setting some time aside to write these music reviews, as well as taking advantage of other things that they have on their site, because they added throughout the years other things that you can review and share your opinion to earn money. Another thing that you should do that can make you a lot more money from Slice the Pie is use their referral program. All right, whenever you sign up for Slice the Pie, you'll see where you can actually refer people. Every time you refer somebody and they start making money from the site, you start making money from the site. I actually still make money from Slice the Pie from promoting it to people over 5 years ago, and I'm still making money. Now, with Slice the Pie, you do get paid via PayPal, and they pay out every Tuesday and Friday. Now, a third online side hustle that you can start today is Amazon MTurk. This is one of them sites where you get paid for doing very short, simple tasks. All right, things like transcription work, data entry, image tagging, looking over like proofreading stuff, all kinds of just little stuff that you get paid very little, but that money does add up. Now, when it comes to Amazon MTurk, you can actually get paid daily from this site. Online side hustle that you can look into today is called Study Pool. This is a website where you can go and get paid for helping people with their homework. All right, this site been around several years and it's pretty popular, right? It's standing the test of time. A lot of people are using this site, and people are using this to earn some extra cash. So once again, if you don't mind helping people, you enjoy helping people, this could be a really dope side hustle. Now, I believe with Study Pool, you can withdraw your money anytime you want. But of course, you can find that out once you get all signed up. And the fifth and final online side hustle that you can look into today is from Allegis. All right, Allegis is a popular transcription website, and they're pretty much always looking for transcribers who want to work from home and earn some extra cash. So when it comes to Allegis, they pretty much deal in the legal and insurance industry. Now, they do pay out every Friday, and they pay via direct deposit. All right, so those were 5 online side hustles that you can look into today, and they actually pay daily or weekly. All right, so if you are looking for some ways to earn some extra cash, there you go. Now, if you are looking for ways to make a lot more money online, you definitely want to check out the links in the description of this video.